All right, y'all. So I'm going to try this chicken spaghetti. And I thought maybe I should have used ground chicken, but I didn't. So let's just see how this turns out. I'm chopping up some bell peppers. And I finally used my garlic. I used it for garlic and onion. It's a chopper, a hand chopper. This is how it came out. I really like it. It's just the cleaning process. I might as well have done it with my knife. Okay, chopping up some mushrooms. I love mushrooms. Me and my kids. Well, not my daughter, but me and my son. All right, so I'm going to put a little olive oil. And I saw this red wine in Aldi. And so I figured I'd try it. In goes the chicken, paprika. I think that was turmeric. No salt, Tony's seasoning. This is black pepper. This is Tab's all-purpose seasoning. Another one of Tab's all-purpose seasoning. We try to do as much salt-free as we can. Oh, it smells so good too. All right, here goes the onions and the garlic. Not many onions. My son don't like them. Mushrooms, red peppers, orange peppers. Give it a mix. I'm gonna let it cook a little bit. We figured we'll have some fruit on the side today. I feel like I had that in the refrigerator too long, but it worked out. I cooked the noodles. These were really good. I even poured a little bit of honey on them. Turned out delicious. All right. Okay, this is the spaghetti that I use. This is a new option that I tried from Aldi. It's made with corn and rice. I was very apprehensive, but you'd be surprised. It was delicious. Okay, 2 different flavors of the Rayo sauce. And then goes the chicken and the peppers and onions and the seasonings. I decided to put it in my cast iron. Thought it might cook a little bit better. I did go back and grab the sauce jar and add a little water to it and pour it in, as you can see. Soak up into those noodles. Start with garlic bread, olive oil. Let's see. I think that was oregano, and all. I don't know what I used.
While you're eating dinner.
That was cranberries, and then walnuts and sunflower seeds, and then my favorite poppy seed dressing from Target. And here we are. This turned out so good. A little Parmesan Reggiano. I think I said that right. Oh my gosh, you guys. This was so good.
Good job. That's delicious.